Hey everyone, today I made a really great stuff. This morning I was sitting and making this site. And you know how much time I've spent to make this website, this SaaS product? Just 7 minutes. And it's pretty great. Today I'm going to show you how to create your website, your SaaS product really fast and how to make n8n backend. So you can see right now, here is the backend on n8n. We have some logic, we have some AI stuff inside. So it's really beautiful setup that I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, let me show you how it works. This is, as you can see, AI business analyzer. So you can analyze your idea and get the monthly revenue, payback period, required investments, business plan, market analysis for every business in the whole world. Okay, it can be music studio in, I don't know, London. Okay, let it be in London. Let's tap on calculate. It's going to analyze and let's see the output. Monthly revenue is about $50,000, payback period 12 months, required investment $100,000. We have business plan, market analysis. So you can pause and read it if you really want, but it's a really simple stuff. You can make whatever you want, whatever you need for your business, for your potential clients, or for you. And let me show you how I made this step by step. Really simple, really simple. You can get everything. You can get this template. You can have this prompt for Lovable in my community. Link in the description. If you want to develop your skills or you want to create really great AI automations for your business or your clients or your friends, just join my community. The setup that we are going to use today is Lovable and n8n. Let's start with n8n. Here we have to have input and output, right? So it will be just HTTP request. So we need to get the data somehow from our Lovable website. So it will be webhook. Create as a trigger webhook. Open it. And here we need to create post HTTP method. I have description about the methods in my previous video. Check it out. Path. So it can be whatever you want. You can name it lol, get path lol, and you can see it here. So just name it whatever you want. It should not be get path. Authentication, it's better to create authentication just for security purposes. For me, I'm not doing this, but I will turn it off right after recording. Really important here, you want to respond. By default, it's immediately, but we don't need it immediately. We need to get the information, handle information, send the information, right? So user response webhook node. So we need this. We need to add this. And in terms of URLs, if you're just creating this stuff, you can use test URL. You can test it as lot as you want. But if you're going to use it with your service, you need to switch it to production URL and copy and paste it. If you want to make it active, use production URL. The next step for us is AI agent. It's a pretty simple AI agent that gets data, idea and location from the previous node, and we need to turn on this toggle require specific output format because we want to have specific format. And we have this great prompt. You're an expert business strategist and startup analyst. He's doing this magic and he should respond in JSON format with these fields, and we just put these fields here, and that's kinda it for this. When we tap require a specific output format, we will see that we have structured output parser. We need to select structured output parser and we need to put JSON example here just to help our AI agent to make correct output. I'm using OpenAI and we need to respond to the webhook. So if you want to respond, just create this node, and here, as you can see, I'm using the same JSON and I'm just sending the data here, and that's it. It means that first of all, we are going to get the information from our software as a service, right? From our service. We are going to handle this information doing some AI logic. And after this, we are going to send it to our service back. And the next step is just create a record in our Airtable. Let me show you. In our Airtable, we have this stuff. This is really simple and beautiful. So if you want to make it more complex, make it more complex. It's just example for this tutorial, right? What's the next? What should we do the next? The next, we should prepare the whole prompt about our software as a service, about our SaaS project. So this is the really detailed description, what I want to create. That's really so detailed. A lot of stuff here. You can read it in my community, or you can just pause and read it right now. We have request body, response body, the logic, which buttons we want to have, design and UX guidelines, Everything is here inside this smart prompt. What we want to do, we just want Command A, Command C, we want to copy it, right? Let's go to Lovable, here, paste it and start doing. It will take some time, kind of 5 or 10 minutes, so I made it before this video. Let me show you just the flow. So you got it. You should paste it here and start. What you will see the next. Next, you will see this screen. On the left side, you can see my prompt. On the right side, it's just a placeholder. So we are waiting while the service is creating service for us. Sounds really silly, right? On the next screenshot, you can see that on the left side, we see the message from Lovable. So it's in progress. It's writing some code for us right now. And on the last screenshot, we see that everything is done, and if you see connect Supabase, visit docs, manage knowledge, it means iteration done. So you can add some comments here to change something, or you can just get it, right? This is the service that I've just described. And here you can see refresh button and open preview in new tab. So let's do it, and here is our service. Let's try it one more time. Let it be French Cafe New York. Calculate. Let's see how much money we can get from the French cafe in New York. Whoa, it's $60,000 every month. So great, but required investments 250 grand. Whoa, it's a lot of money. Payback period 12 months. We have business plan, marketing plan, market analysis. You can create every idea. So because you have Lovable, the web service that will help you to create whatever you want, and you have this template, you have n8n that will help you to create you really great backend on n8n powered by AI. You can take this template and this prompt in my community, link in the description. Thank you so much for being here with me. Tap a like button, put a comment. Thank you so much. Bye.